How to stop background internet usage on Android in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to save data and boost speed by stopping apps from secretly using your internet in the background. If your data runs out fast or your phone feels slow for no reason, these steps will fix it instantly and they're very easy to follow. Start by opening your phone's settings, then tap Network and Internet or Connections depending on your phone. Next, look for Data Usage. Inside this menu, open Mobile Data Usage. You'll see a list of apps and how much data each one is using. Tap any app you want to control and simply turn off Allow Background Data. This makes sure the app only uses the internet when you're actively using it. If you also see Unrestricted Data, turn that off too so the app can bypass limits. Once you're done with individual apps, go back to the main data usage screen and turn on Data Saver. This is one switch that instantly blocks background data for all apps at once. Your phone will feel faster because nothing is secretly using your connection. If there are important apps you want to keep active like Messenger or WhatsApp, you can allow them inside the unrestricted data list, but only add the ones you really need. Next, make sure apps aren't eating up Wi-Fi in the background either. Go to Settings, open Apps, pick an app and look for Wi-Fi data usage or background data. If your phone shows this option, turn off background data here too. This helps especially if your Wi-Fi is slow or shared with many people. Now, check AutoSync. Go back to Settings and open Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. If you see AutoSync data, turn it off if you don't need apps constantly updating. This saves data, battery, and stops silent background activity. You can always sync manually when you need it. After everything is set, restart your phone. This helps all the restrictions apply right away. Once your phone turns back on, you'll notice fewer random data spikes, smoother internet speed, and better control over what's using your connection. Stopping background internet usage is one of the fastest ways to make your Android feel lighter, faster, and more efficient with just a few simple steps.